Okay guys, so today we're gonna be unboxing this Drillo Ease. It's epic. Yes. Okay, ASMR.
I got the bolle.
That's kind of gay.
Are we gonna unbox
Oh my
the
god,
bolle
it's so
too?
super satisfying.
Are
Yes,
we gonna-
yes, unbox the bolle etterpå.
Okay.
First are we going to unbox this ease.
Oh my
Ooh.
god.
That is very
What
that's-
color? What color? Oh my god! What color?
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's orange! It's orange! Oh my god! Okay, now bolle unboxing.
Okay.
Boll unboxing.
Okay. Let's go.
Boll unboxing.
Oh, what bolle is it?
Oh, glasur! It's glasur!
Oh, it's glasur!
That's
Wait,
so
there's two?
without
There's
that.
two?
I got two bolle! I got two bolle! What is this?
Wait, what's this?
And it has chocolate on it.
Choklad och croissant!
My screen is shaking. My screen is shaking. My screen is shaking.